So guys, I came to my balcony.
I just posted the video and it's explosions and air is hurting in Kyiv, but it's hard to confuse because under my window, such late, it's cleaning roads despite all the drones above Kyiv, all the explosions, the guys doing their job. And it's a little bit loud and you know, you don't know what is going on. Yeah, and it is not Jesus Christ. Oh my God. It is not cleaner system. That's the drone just fly. Yeah, that is like my night. Cleaning guys, drones, posted YouTube video, came from sauna, so to go to bed too early, and again, 1:30, 2 a.m. I even didn't have chance to wake up, just... Okay, he went. Oh, eat. Guys, hello from Kyiv. Misha, long time no see. Mania and Tanya are at home. I decided just to say hi. I have not planned to do this video tonight because there's just endless air sirens and different threats about possible night tonight. Also during the night I did the video that you see previously about how a drone flight in the city center, so I decided like combining everything and just popping up and say hi and what we're expecting to have tonight. So, many air sirens, ballistic threat. 1 hour ago was an air siren and all the channels, all the monitor wrote that ballistic is coming to Kyiv, but it was hit the area between Kyiv region and Chernihiv region. There are like arrivals there, no details. Previously, there were another air siren approximately like 6:30 p.m. and there were arrival in Rzhishiv in the south of Kyiv and Kyiv region more in the south. So I don't see any more details about all that. But to be honest, each night I don't have the possibility go to bed earlier than 1 or 2 a.m. and when I just get ready to fall asleep, then air siren started, so I couldn't sleep for next hour or so. Or I sleep and air siren wakes me up approximately 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. And tonight I see the updates that right now in the skies of Ukraine approximately 50 drones and many more are going to come from like Russia launched rockets from 5 different regions. It means like a lot. We don't know how much there will be. They see some activation on the airplane bases, radars checking. So we don't know. Usually when it's activation could be the very loud night. We don't know exactly where, Kyiv, west, what they're going to attack. Because yesterday in Kyiv, there were only 5 drones and one of them flying in my area, another in grandma's area, and it was like very loud. And later in the news I checked that this drone fell in my district and I didn't explore. So in the morning the rescue workers they came for this drone. Also, it's because of many air sirens and people like changed their plans. Yesterday evening I did the video when I was in the gym. Then it was again sirens, it was drone. Like I just finished my video, posted, all these things, go to bed, start air siren just immediately, and then drone came again loud. Today also one siren, like then another one. So it's just, and what I checked also in the internet, that 3 Russian planes, 2, was the number? MiG-31K, were flying 12 minutes in Estonia. And I'm thinking, now is Estonia, previously were drones in Poland. And this is really war of drones. Drones is matter because cheap drone can hit expensive army vehicle, personal carrier, tanks, anything. And this war of drones. And maybe Russia wouldn't invade by land Poland, another country. They will just going to test other country with drones and later on start to attack with drones other countries. Like, why not? So it's just like, other type of war because any technology progress going during the war. This war is making technology progress during the drones. Like, we expecting still approximately 1,000 of drones at least for Kyiv because Russia is making the drones production and they building new bases for all that, also checking the internet. So what I'm also going to say about all that. Yeah, it mostly today was about the attack, and this was I had the photo from Rzhishiv today in Kyiv region what they hit. So just doing my video because which news I will have tomorrow I don't know. If we have the bad night, so if they really have some activations there in their airfields and a lot of drones coming, so it's going to be like massive attack because they doing massive attack because making this impossible for our defense system to shoot everything, to intercept everything, so they have more chance to target something. So they collecting all what they collect and put onto Ukraine. Ballistics, rockets, cruise missiles, drones. So yeah, before was ballistic today, and there were written about Kyiv, but it was not Kyiv. So also now checking the map of air siren, soon it will be in Kyiv again. And lots of drones in all the region from Kharkiv, Sumy, Dnipro, Poltava. They coming actually. And what else to say? Just want to finish this video with a little bit fun videos. When is air siren? I hope you can hear me well. When is air siren? Shopping malls are going to close. Actually, they closed, and I saw the video when the guy waiting for his girl, like girlfriend or wife, I don't know, from the shop, and the shop, it was H&M, closed, and she was in the changing room, fitting room, and she didn't have chance to go out because she was close inside and the security left, everyone's left, so she's stuck there. And it was like a little bit funny. She has no panic, and she did the video, he did the video, and she say like, I will be as a like mannequin here, something like this. And yeah, thankfully there was no attack on the shopping mall and so on. But yeah, on when it's everything without attack, that's okay. But it could be really dangerous to stuck somewhere, especially in the shop. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for supporting. Not sure about tonight. I would say like let's hope for the quiet night, but really I'm not sure. Seriously, I'm not sure. And really I'm not sure about this war escalating because we thought that the war going like Russia invade other country, but they just making the invasion using like drones and can do something else, and we can discuss this one day. Like, imagine there could be some part of Poland with a drone attack, so the businesses and many people will just move to another part of Poland because some part of Poland will be often close airports, or maybe forever close airports, or maybe something else. So I don't know, I'm just like thinking like step by step, because once I like, yeah, I want to say so much things, but like let's finish this video with that. Like, when the frog is boiled in the water, the frog doesn't like the water is getting warmer, and the frog doesn't notice that she's going to boil and die. So it's like something with Russia, like step by step we like getting like not getting used to. That is our normal realities for many people how we live now, it's not normal. For me also, like, not normal, but we somehow adapting. And later on, Putin trying to adapt Poland and Estonia and closest country with his planes, drones, and whatever. Step by step, there are no reactions, more and more. With Ukraine also it started with Crimea, and he didn't recognize it was his green soldiers. And in Donetsk, Lugansk, the same. People call them as a separatist and so on. So like it was like step by step, and lead to this invasion. So what will be in future? Let's see. But yeah, I'm really hoping I could sleep tonight and everyone will be alive next morning. And if there will be hard night, I pray for our air defense system that we will hit drones and rocket, and lives of Ukrainian people will be saved, and we will have good weekend. So we also wishing you good weekend. Best wishes. Thank you so much for watching, for your supporting, for your matches, becoming sponsors of my channel, members of the Patreon, and we're just saying goodbye. And let's see if something, how I can say, if I have to share some news tomorrow, I will see you tomorrow. So like that. Thank you guys. Good night for us now, and quiet night. And for you, day, evening, cool party, or Friday, cool Friday night, let's say. So bye-bye.
Все вышли. Одна вот осталась. Закрытая, представляете? Под стеклом. Будет жить там. В Инчендеме закрытая. Ретрик пустой. Освободить не знаю как. Ждем.
Меня закрыли. Ролет закрыт. Я не могу выйти. Объявлена воздушная тревога. Я переодевалась в раздевалке. Меня не перепроверили. Закрыли магазин. Теперь я буду здесь жить. Класс. Он мой муж.